It is really raining. I apologize for my hair. Lightning. I scared of lightning. This is what happens when you take a shower late at night and you don't feel like drying your hair, so you just kind of put it up, and this is how it turns out. Fun. But I'm enjoying the rain. Sorry. I'm having fun. I kind of like the side view. What you guys doing? What do I have right here? It's E Honda. I liked E Honda. I loved Blanca. Oh my god. I can't play Street Fighter for shit. Not good at it. That's probably, yeah. Oh, Golden Girls. Get over here. You know what? I'm just gonna hold him because he's cute. How cute he is. I love Street Fighter. Not good at it though. Not good at those games. I'm better at watching. If you play Street Fighter or Mortal Kombat, let me know. I'll watch you.